like the BI is supposed to be giving the right information to the right person at the right time in the right format for the person to receive, for the receiver to make a better business decision. So it should be faster. The decision making is going to be fast. It's going to be quick. I mean, the graphical representation for easier understanding, user friendliness.
We will get live data instantly across all our 30 stores, and it will save us a lot of time. Normally what we do is to sift and sort out through this data, do an elaborate cut and paste thing to come to some conclusions. Let's say I want to know what stocks are sold out in some stores and not selling in some stores. It might take me maybe 3 man days to arrive at this data, brand wise, product wise, SKU wise. If I have a good business intelligence tool, this can be done instantly. So all I have to do is shift the stocks from where it's not selling to where it's selling. So this increases my top line, my bottom line, it reduces my dead stock, and above all it saves time.
I look at your organization to come with an expertise of certain logics which are the best practices in the industry and build into the system to make it as a decision making tool rather than giving me a report. I don't want like my daily sales report to come from BI tool, but probably I would look at, okay, if the targets were X, the sales is X, which are the stores having, I would say, less than target achievement, and probably look at only 2 figures rather than looking at 500 stores. Okay, what is its sales performance?
So it's the ability to to filter out what is going on in the normal life cycle and just bubble up the exceptions.
And keep on drilling it down to get into, okay, what was the reason for not achieving it, and the whole database is structured in a way that it gives me the ability to even drill down to the last line item.
It does give you reports. You can configure reports the way you want it, because at the end of the day it's data, and the data is in a format that you can configure it to the way you want it. First of all, it doesn't look very good, because it's just data in a black and white. The other is that it is the data that you have to fetch. It's not what I say. It's not data thrown to me. I would love things. It's like when I get a message on my BlackBerry, it throws in data, and that is what we use. I don't want to fetch anything. So if I want to get a data out of my ERP, I have to ask my IT guy. Then he'll be here or wherever, and then he sends it a file. The file I can't print sometimes. It comes into another format. I can't open the file, and there are a lot of things. The other is we are scaling up, so I'll be on the road literally. And how much time can I spend on email or on on the phone? I want a web connectivity. I connect on Facebook every day. I want to connect on my business at least. So I think that is where we are headed towards.